You can record and send broadcasts to drivers using the fixed terminal. It is important to use the correct protocols at all times. To access the record and broadcast screen, press the broadcast button. A list of any broadcasts will appear. To record a broadcast, highlight an empty slot and then press the red record button.
Please speak after the tone.
After this audio prompt, you can then record your broadcast via the handset, and remember to press the push to talk button.
This is a general broadcast from the signaller at Gatetown West. Due to operating difficulties between Gatetown West and Gatetown East, you may experience some delays. End of general broadcast.
When you have completed the message, replace the handset to end the recording. You can review your broadcast by pressing the listen button.
This is a pre-recorded message.
This is a general broadcast from the signaller at Gatetown.
You can also stop the playback by pressing stop. When you have finished recording the message, press the Edit Title button. Enter the name of your broadcast in the Edit Name box and then press Save. To send the broadcast, press the Activate button. You can then choose whether to send the broadcast to an area or a specific signal by pressing the Area or Signal button. If you select Area, the various area options will appear in this list. Highlight the area where you want the broadcast to be sent. You can send it as a one-off broadcast by pressing one shot followed by the Activate button. The message will be broadcast immediately. This confirmation message will appear to show that the message has been sent. If you want the broadcast to be repeated over a period of time, you can do this by pressing the Repeat button. You can set the frequency of the repetition of the broadcast and the start and end times by pressing these up and down buttons. Once you have made your selection, you can send the broadcast by pressing the Activate button. Remember, the maximum amount of time a broadcast can be repeated is 40, and the maximum length of time a broadcast can last is 2 hours. Once you have made your selection, you can send the broadcast by pressing the Activate button. If you want to review the message again before broadcasting it, then press the Listen button on this pop-up. If you need to send a broadcast to a specific signal berth in your area, then press the Signal button. A list of signals will appear. Highlight the appropriate signal and then press the Add button to move it into the selected signals list. You can do this one by one. You can also remove a signal from the selected list by highlighting it and pressing the Remove button. You can select the time the broadcast should end by pressing the up and down arrows. Once you have made your choice, you can then send the broadcast by pressing the Activate button. When a broadcast is in operation, the blue Broadcast button at the base of the screen will have a yellow border. This signal icon will appear in the sent list to show which broadcast was made to which signal. If you need to end a repeat broadcast, you can do this by selecting the appropriate broadcast title in the available broadcasts list, and then press the End Broadcast button. The Message Function button will flash yellow. This message will appear in the accepted message list saying the final broadcast has been sent. This confirmation message will appear, and you can then press the Remove button to end the broadcast.